CP is the circumcenter of triangle ABC. List any segments that are congruent to each segment below. BR, CS, and BP. So let's start off. Circumcenters are constructed from perpendicular bisectors. So I'm going to go ahead and label my pictures. It's already labeled with right angles, which means that BR and RA have to be congruent because RP is a perpendicular bisector. AS and SC also have to be congruent because it's made up of perpendicular bisectors. And then the last segment, BP and TC, also have to be congruent because it's made up of perpendicular bisectors. Now, the definition of a circumcenter says that that point P is always equidistant from the vertices of the triangle. So the circumcenter is always equidistant. So if I take a circle, I should be able to draw a circle, and it should pass through every vertice. My picture might not necessarily be drawn 100% to scale, but you kind of get the gist here. Here we go. So, every segment that goes from P to the vertice also has to be the same. So BP has to be the same as AP, which has to be the same as PC. So, let's answer the questions. BR. A segment that is the same as BR, or congruent to BR, has to be AR. Other segments in the picture could be the same, but I don't know for sure, so I can't state that. Segment CS is right here, so AS has to be congruent to CS. Again, because of perpendicular bisectors. And then finally, BP. BP has to be congruent to AP, and it has to be congruent to CP. We've answered all the questions. It often helps to label your triangle with the congruent segments before you try to answer any questions.